In this tutorial, I'll be talking about the different view orientation, or you can say the different view that we have in SOLIDWORKS. So if you come over here inside the view orientation and click on this drop down, you'll get different orientations such as left, right, front, and top, back, and bottom. By default, you'll have all these options, and you'll have the isometric, dimetric, and trimetric options as well. Now let's say you have designed a part and you don't want the default view orientation. You want to make your own uh, view. So let's say I want to make it something like this, close to isometric but a little bit tweaked. So I want to take this one, right? So if I come to isometric, see how it changes. So I want this view right here. How do I save it? So there is a tip to you can create your own view orientation and then save it so that you don't have to make it every time, and you don't need to do it from the beginning. You can save it, and then whenever you want to see the view, just click, just like all these other views that are already there. So to do that, I'll just go to my orientation, select view over here, and then it will ask me what my name is. So I'll call this close to isometric because it's almost isometric, but I have tweaked it a little bit. I'll save it for, and once I do that, you'll see inside this we have an option for this one. So let's say I'll choose my isometric now. I'll go back and then select close to isometric. Well, it will give uh, my uh, defined view, right? Let's create one more. I'll again do like this. So for that, go to view orientation, new view. Let's call this verse ISO. Okay. You can go back to your view orientation and select isometric. And you can also go to your view orientation by clicking on the space bar. So every time you click on the space bar, the view orientation will open. From here, I can select reverse ISO, and my model exactly knows what that is. Right now, so why I did this one is because I want to show you if I create a drawing of this part, take the default sheet size, and then uh, I go for a standard 3 view. I'll select my model. Okay, I will place it. Now let's say these are the default views, right? I want the view that I have created. How do I do that? Okay, so I go to my model view, then double click to select my model, and then come down, see, side more views. See, we have orientation tab over here, and then inside that we have different views, frontal and all those. And the two views that I have created in my part design, which is close to isometric and reverse ISO, is also there. So I can select, say, close to isometric, and I can drag it over here and change the display style. You can also take the projection of this one. Okay, I can, let's say, enter another view. Let's go this time reverse ISO, and make sure you check this box. Okay, so last time I didn't check the box, so you won't see any changes. I have checked the box, and now you can see how the drawing is inserted. It's the same view that I created inside the part drawing, And that's, yeah, that's how you can add your own named views. That's what SolidWorks call it. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. And if in case you have any doubts with this one, feel free to comment down below. I'll be happy to read your comments, and press the like button and subscribe to the channel.